BigCommerce versus Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Which e-commerce platform is the right fit for you? Let's have a quick comparison. Features and functionality. Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers more advanced features and is better suited for large businesses, such as personalization, product recommendations, and B2B e-commerce capabilities. Ease of use. BigCommerce is generally considered easier to use than Salesforce Commerce Cloud, which is more complex to use but offers more flexibility and customization options. Customization. BigCommerce has a large app store with thousands of third-party apps and integrations than Salesforce Commerce Cloud, which requires more technical expertise to customize. Pricing. BigCommerce offers 3 pricing plans starting at $29.95 per month. Salesforce Commerce Cloud pricing is based on the size of your business, the number of products you sell, and the features you need. Scalability. Salesforce Commerce Cloud is more scalable than BigCommerce to handle businesses of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises. So which e-commerce platform is the right fit for you? If you have to, which one will you choose? BigCommerce or Salesforce Commerce Cloud? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do follow Tech at Cloud Analogy for more such videos. Thank you.